Hey there, Potters. It's me, Clay, your friendly Glaizit guide. Now that you're logged in, let's take a quick tour of the galleries. This is where we get loads of ideas and inspirations. Glaizit is packed with thousands of glaze combinations, glazes, and recipes. Some of the top commercial brands are cataloged. With thousands of glazes, finding the right one could take forever, but not on Glaizit. Our filters help you sort by color, finish, firing temp, and more. Just a few taps and bam, you've got exactly what you need. All right, let's look at details. Clicking on a glaze shows you everything you need to know about it. You'll see images of how this glaze or combinations looks when fired. Scroll down and you'll get all the details. Firing temperature, whether it's food safe, its color, finish, and even possible combinations with this glazes. Just tap Glaizit combos for more details. You would see a similar details page, with images of how the glaze combination looks and further details like firing temperature, color, and texture. But here's the cool part. Right below, you'll see exactly which individual glazes were used to create that combination. And guess what? You can tap on any of those glazes to explore their details even further. Found a glaze you love? Hit the favorite button. This saves it to your favorites list so you can easily find it later. You can leave comments on any glaze, ask questions, or share your own experience. And if you think a fellow potter needs to see this glaze, just hit share. Want to keep track of the glazes you actually have access to? Add them to your smart shelf. What's a smart shelf, you ask? Oh, trust me, it's a game changer. But that's a story for another video. And that's your Glaiz Gallery tour. Now it's your turn. Check out all the glazes, play around with filters, and start favoriting your top picks. But hey, if you see a glaze missing or spot any info that doesn't seem right, just drop us a message. We want Glaizit to be your go-to pottery hub, so let's make it better together. Until next time, happy glazing.